How AI will transform project management. Only 35% of projects today are completed successfully. Sometime in the near future, the CEO of a large telecom provider is using a smartphone app to check on her organization's 7 strategic initiatives. Project charters and key performance indicators are available in moments, as are each team member's morale level and the overall buy-in of critical stakeholders. Many AI-driven self-adjustments have already occurred, based on parameters chosen by the project manager and the project team at the initiative's outset. The app informs the CEO of every change that needs her attention, as well as potential risks, and prioritizes decisions that she must make, providing potential solutions to each. A few weeks earlier, the project had been slightly behind, and the app recommended that the team should apply agile techniques to speed up one project stream. During the meeting, they simulate possible solutions and agree on a path forward. The project plan is automatically updated, and messages are sent informing affected team members and stakeholders of the changes and a projection of the expected results. Back in the present, project management doesn't always move along quite as smoothly, but this future is probably less than a decade away. Project management today and path forward. Every year, approximately $48 trillion are invested in projects. The wasted resources and unrealized benefits of the other 65% are mind-blowing. For years in our research and publications, we have been promoting the modernization of project management. Most organizations and project leaders are still using spreadsheets, slides, and other applications that haven't evolved much over the past few decades. If applying AI and other technological innovations to project management could improve the success ratio of projects by just 25%, it would equate to trillions of dollars of value and benefits to organizations, societies, and individuals. Gartner's research indicates that change is coming soon, predicting that by 2030, 80% of project management tasks will be run by AI, powered by big data, machine learning, ML, and natural language processing. When this next generation of tools is widely adopted, there will be radical changes. 6 aspects of project management that will be disrupted. 1. Better selection and prioritization. Selection and prioritization are a type of prediction, which projects will bring the most value to the organization. 2. Support for the project management office. Data analytics and automation startups are now helping organizations streamline and optimize the role of the project management office, PMO. 3. Improved, faster project definition, planning, and reporting. One of the most developed areas in project management automation is risk management. 4. Virtual project assistants. Practically overnight, ChatGPT changed the world's understanding of how AI can analyze massive sets of data and generate novel and immediate insights in plain text. 5. Advanced testing systems and software. Testing is another essential task in most projects, and project managers need to test early and often. 6. A new role for the project manager. For many project managers, automating a significant part of their current tasks may feel scary, but successful ones will learn to use these tools to their advantage. With a shift away from administrative work, the project manager of the future will need to cultivate strong soft skills, leadership capabilities, strategic thinking, and business acumen. Some organizations are already building AI into their project management education and certification programs, and Northeastern University is incorporating AI into its curriculum, teaching project managers how to use AI to automate and improve data sets and optimize investment value from projects. Data and people make the future a reality. When these tools are ready for organizations, how will you make sure your organization is ready for them? Training AI algorithms to manage projects will require large amounts of project-related data. The information could be out of date, might use different taxonomies, or contain outliers and gaps. Roughly 80% of the time spent preparing an ML algorithm for use is focused on data gathering and cleaning, which takes raw and unstructured data and transforms it into structured data that can train a machine learning model. Without available and properly managed data, the AI transformation will never happen at your organization, but no AI transformation will flourish if you don't also prepare yourself and your team for the change. This new generation of tools will not only change the technology on how we manage projects, but will change completely our work in the project. They should increase their focus on human interactions while identifying technology skill deficits in their people early and work to address them. If you are seriously considering applying AI to your projects and project management practices, the following questions will help you assess your decision. Are you ready to spend time making an accurate inventory of all your projects, including the latest status update? Can you invest several resources for some months to gather, clean, and structure your project data? Have you made up your mind to let go of your old project management habits, such as your monthly progress reports? Are you prepared to invest in training your project management community in this new technology? Are they willing to move out of their traditional comfort zones and radically change how they manage their projects? Is your organization ready to accept and adopt a new technology and hand over the reins on decisions with increasingly higher stakes? Are you ready to let this technology make mistakes as it learns to perform better for your organization? Does your executive sponsor for this project have the capability and credibility in your organization to lead this transformation? Are senior leaders willing to wait several months, up to 1 year, to start seeing the benefits of the automation? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then you are ready to embark on this pioneering transformation. If you have one or more no answers, then you need to work on flipping them to yes before moving ahead.